Hey guys, how's it going? This is Tom. It's been winter, it was cold, it was busy, but it's getting warmer. Time to get back to work, do some maintenance on the car. Today we're gonna replace the LED module, rear module on the BMW X3. First time I did it, I bought the whole light, 150 bucks, replaced it, was good. Second time I did it, I bought a little module, different than this one, from eBay, about 25 bucks or 30, something like that. I had to solder some cables, so that was tricky. This time I got a whole aftermarket little module that was supposed to be able to unplug the cables and plug in the new module, and that should be it. So let's go ahead and start. Let me show you what the issue is, and we'll go from there. So here's what's going on. This one's working, this one's not. The other side, both of them are working, so that's the light we're gonna work on. That might be the one that I already replaced. No, I think it was the other side. So anyways, let me show you what we're gonna do here. Open the trunk. This is where the little cover is. Pull it up. Right underneath there's a screw. So let me grab a screwdriver and unscrew that. Okay, not sure how much you're gonna be able to see. There's one screw here. Here we go. Okay, that's the plastic that holds it. And there's a new ring for my car. Just kidding, it's just a module, but it comes in a ring box. So that's what it looks like. That's 30 bucks on eBay. Hopefully it fits both the outside and the inside lights, because this one has a LED module and this one, so hopefully it fits both. We'll find out in a second. So just some cables to unplug. Oh, this is coming out of the whole bulb. Okay, so we're back. So yeah, we unscrew that, the light bulb. So here you pretty much just have to push. If you notice on the side there are little clips, that means this side is not gonna go up. It needs to slide this way. So that tells me this goes up there. Let's see. Here you just have to, where that bolt is, pretty much push it up. Okay. We got it out. There's still cable. And here is the module I'm talking about. It looks like the same, and the little plug to it. Let me unplug that and we can compare. Okay, so here we are again. There's the cable. You gotta squeeze it. Squeeze and pull. There's a little hook for it too. I can undo that. And that's the module. It just slides out, I think. It is secured here a little bit on this side. As you can see, there is a little bit of plastic, so it was it. Flip it out. Slide out. Oh, I guess I could just disconnect the other side of this board. I didn't even notice. Okay, so the other side was here, disconnected. Makes it much easier to work on it in the trunk. Here's the little module. Trying not to break this. Make sure the new one is good. Same size. Looks like it will just slide in. The connector is the same. So I can break that board. Just don't want to break the and it's out. Cool. That's the other one. Slides right in. It's moving a little bit. So here we have it. This one is thinner again, like some extra room. I'm just gonna put some tape on it. You can do a drop of glue if you want, or whatever else you want. There's a million ways to secure it. It's not going anywhere. Beautiful. Now this connects right here. This is the other end. This was actually connecting to this piece that came out right here. Right here. There you go. So I'm gonna put the light in, connect it. Hope it's gonna work. That slides in, then you push it down, so it looks good from this side. And here, let's see, here is my connectors, this. Okay, so this is where it plugs in, right here. Yep. There you go. Here we are. The clip goes outside. And now I just have to put it back together. Oh, actually, should be able to just press the remote, see if it works. Hey, check this out. Both of them. $30 fix, $150 light or more, depends where you're getting it. So, anyways, I'm just gonna put this back together. So, put this back in there, put a clip on, screw back on, and that should be it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Summer is here. There will be more videos. Thank you. Bye.